So this is a quick video of the unboxing and installation of the SVS SoundPath Subwoofer isolation system. This is one that I've already done on my SVS SB-1000. I've already put them on, and I'll show you now the second one. So here we have the box as it was shipped. It's already open there on that side. Let's move quickly on these sides. Comes with the installation instructions, both sides, and you can see it's got the 4 feet. It's got 3 packs of screws. The one is a dedicated pack for SVS subwoofers, and then an M6 and an M8 pack of screws. Now you won't need those because we're going to be installing it on an SVS subwoofer, so let's get going with that. So this is the subwoofer on which we're going to be installing the isolation system. So we're going to start by unplugging the subwoofer at the back, and then we're going to gently turn it on its side. And here we're going to be removing the current feet. Okay, you can please. That goes pretty quickly, and then we'll turn it all the way around. Make it easier to complete the installation. Get your feet out. Just place it over the hole, and you can then drop the screw down and catch it with your Phillips screwdriver. It catches really easily. Really easy to put in, and then just hand tighten it, not too tight so that you don't damage the inside of the bolt. Second one. Okay, nice and tight. And last one. And make sure that you retain your subwoofer's old feet in case you need them again. Now we can turn it back over. Make sure it is nicely where we want it. And that's it. Thank you very much.